Rematec, the world's leading remanufacturing trade show for industry professionals, returns to Amsterdam June 27th to the 29th, 2023. As remanufacturing is evolving, so too is Rematec, and this year's show is proof. Rematec 2023 will focus on three main pillars: electric vehicles, battery packs, and sustainable manufacturing. One key theme Rematec is focusing on this year is electric vehicles. The electrification of the automotive industry and the growing demand for battery remanufacturing have brought about new challenges and opportunities. In addition to recent sustainable mobility policies and the increasing demand for longer product life cycles, Rematec believes that the future for the remanufacturing industry is bright. And with the ambitious goal set by the European Commission to make Europe carbon emission-free by 2050, the shift toward EVs is only going to accelerate. This means that remanufacturers need to stay up to date on the latest technical developments and begin researching these new systems and their components for opportunities. What about battery pack remanufacturing? The demand for batteries is increasing worldwide, which is expected to place a great deal of pressure on the Earth's resources. At the end of a battery's life, only a small fraction of its cells are no longer usable, which means, of course, there's a lot of potential for remanufacturing. So Rematec's Battery Corner will provide knowledge sharing and demonstrations on battery pack remanufacturing. Finally, Rematec is focusing on sustainable manufacturing. With a global focus on sustainability and the circular economy, as well as the increasing price of raw materials, sustainable manufacturing methods are more important than ever. The remanufacturing industry has the knowledge and expertise to produce sustainably and improve the product life cycle. Above all, Rematec offers clarity, insight, and opportunities for remanufacturers, as well as the latest state-of-the-art remanufacturing equipment, including parts cleaning, surface treatment, turbo balancing, testing, and diagnostic equipment, and core supply and reman services. And let's not forget the Remanufacturer of the Year Awards, the most prestigious honor in remanufacturing. Founded in 2005, the prizes are awarded to a person or a business that has served remanufacturing with particular distinction in the categories of Best Reman Process Optimization, Best Reman Business Innovation, and Best Reman Ambassador. At Rematec 2023, you'll find more than 150 exhibiting companies, more than 50 content sessions, and more than 80 countries represented. Rematec. During 3 action-packed days, you'll connect with remanufacturing professionals from all over the world in the exciting city of Amsterdam. Again, the show is June 27th to the 29th, 2023. Register your free visit now and secure your place at the show. For more information, visit rematec.com. I'm Mark Phillips, and thanks for watching. And I'll see you at Rematec.